on our agenda is the proclamation recognizing Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And I would ask Councilmember York to make that presentation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Proclamation, whereas Africans began arriving on the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and whereas the population of these Africans increased as chattel enslavement grew in the 1600s, and whereas these Africans began to engage with and in some instances created families with indigenous Americans in the region, and whereas the descendants of this group are called Gullah Geechee, and whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Island and the Low Country of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida to stand on their human rights to self-determination, and whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas this elected installed St. Helena Island native whose family roots stemmed from the Palawana and Dr. Islands, Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head upon the body, there you go. Okay, and spokesperson for Gullah Geechee since July the 2nd, 2000, and whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2023 is being celebrated under the theme Celebrating Gullah Geechee Resiliency, and whereas we support the continuation of the Gullah Geechee cultural heritage and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and now therefore be resolved that the Beaufort County Council does hereby proclaim the week of July the 29th through 2023 through August the 5th, 2023 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and call upon all our citizens to celebrate with the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, dated this 10th day of July 2023, and signed by Chairman, I'm going to say doctor, but Joseph Pasterman.
Thank you, sir.
Yes,
appreciate
ma'am.
it.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. This is the shouting time one more again. So glad for this show. For all the family were there with me and things like that. I gotta stop make them hard on you. I see you try to get your picture. So they're there with me, especially from St. Helena. Please stand up, St. Helena Island. I know y'all here tonight and things like that. All the Gullah Geechee family. Thank you. Oh, thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. Thank you, ma'am. And so this year we glad that one more again, not just the whole county to celebrate with we, because every town in Beaufort County celebrates with we every year for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. It's been over a decade of celebration. But we also glad because this year for the first time, we gonna launch Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week at the Penn Center National Landmark Historic District, which is also our Reconstruction Era National Historical Park. So you know where you're gonna the place where y'all been in Yeti Bug for the last 6 months at every meeting you had. What island that?
St. Helena.
Oh God, them children that they ain't know. St. Helena Island. Maybe if I crack my teeth out the rest of the way they know. St. Helena Island, folks. I know a lot of you just moved here, but for the last 6 months you've heard our island name a lot. You've read it a lot. So we hope that you will come over and celebrate with us our historic legacy as Gullah Geechees there on St. Helena Island. So Saturday, July 29th at noon, we will launch the celebration. We will march down to the water, because as we say, the water to bring we, the water going to take we back for our opening ceremony, honoring our ancestors. And then we will come back for the rest of the celebration at Frizzell Community House. And so we'll have Gullah Geechees from throughout the Gullah Geechee Nation, from Jacksonville to Jacksonville, but we also always bring in family from around the world. So they come from the Caribbean and things like that there. They come from the motherland. They come from everywhere. Because they say, Queen, you're not Gullah Geechee without we. We Gullah Geechee too. And so they are proud, but they can't be prouder than we are. And the only thing I want to correct y'all is I don't know why this don't also mention my family roots on St. Helena. And I don't know why y'all misspelled Geechee on that agenda today, but for the official record, Ain't no I in Geechee if it a we. Okay, so I just want that on the record. But we're so thankful to Beaufort County for continuing to celebrate. So tomorrow night I will be at the Beaufort, the city meeting, and then Wednesday evening I will be at the Port Royal town meeting to also receive the proclamation. So in advance, I thank all of them. And no, Atlantic Beach wanted me there tonight. I told them I can't leave my county. I got to come down here and get this here for all of we. So for my ancestors, my elders, my community, my family, thank you to all 100 children for standing with we. But it's going to be a shouting time Saturday, July 29th. See you on the fun St. Helena Island. Thank you, County Council, for all of this. I appreciate it.